Who does KDP actually work for? This is kind of point number 2 now. KDP works for people who are comfortable following a system. If you don't want to have to kind of figure out how to start this business model from scratch or start a business from scratch, if you're comfortable following, hey, if you just do this and then this and then this and then this and then this, you'll get this result. If you're comfortable with that, KDP is a great business model for that. Because it's been around for so long, we've developed a really straightforward, idiot-proof system on how to do this business. I've been in this space for a long time. I've seen a lot of stupid people make a lot of money following basic systems in this business, to the point where I scratched my head. But that's really how basic and simple this business is. You don't have to be hyper intelligent. You don't have to know a ton about technology. All you, as like, if you can watch a YouTube video, you can publish a book and make money with it online. Plain and simple. So as long as you're good at following systems, great business model for you.